Halacha number 5. One should always be silent as much as possible and speak only either the words of the Torah or the matters necessary for the physical well-being. Okay. And even regarding what is necessary for the physical needs, and even regarding what is necessary for physical needs, he should not speak excessively. As been said in Sage's blessed memory, Amos 1:17, whoever speaks excessively brings sin. That's it. So the people who talk a lot, not on the Torah subject, they bring sin. And they stated further, all my days I have been raised among the sages, and I found nothing better for oneself than silence. And Rabbi stated in Arachim 22a that if the meaning of what which is written in Mishle 18:21, death and life are in the hands of a tongue, right? So that's famous Mishnah. He who seeks life can attain it through his tongue, and he who seeks death can also attain it through the tongue. So meaning sometimes somebody can say like some insults to somebody, and that somebody is going to do damage to him, kill him, right? If he's a crazy person. Or opposite, you can with your tongue you can say like you can sell yourself, or you can sell somebody else. Okay. A commentary. He who desires death can use the tongue to speak of inane and vulgar. So that's what brings death, right? And he who desires life can use his time to study Torah. That's very straightforward. Okay, it says by Rashi, Arachim 15b. Okay, continue. Basically, speak less.